So this is how it's looking after the plumber and the carpenter came in to fix the gaping hole in the wall. And I'm just showing you guys the tub before I prep it for the ROST-OLEUM Tub and Tile refinishing kit. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you where I got my products from. For the most part, a lot of them came from Amazon and then some from Home Depot. These were the ones that came from Amazon, and for the tub and tile, the ROST-OLEUM tub and tile, I got 2 boxes and 2 spray cans. So that was all I needed. So to clean the bathroom, you're definitely going to need some heavy duty gloves. And I started off with bleach just to wipe down the walls. I didn't want to retile the tub because that's super expensive, and when I found an easier way to renovate the tub and the tiles without breaking your bank, I said why not. So for the tub and tile refinishing kit, they say that it's really important to make sure you clean your walls, your tub, and just really set it up and prepare it, or else the paint really won't stick. And I actually saw that in some parts of the wall where I kind of got lazy. It kind of bubbled a little because I didn't really prep it right. But for the most part, I did a pretty good job. So after you put down your comment, you're gonna let it sit for maybe like 20 minutes because you really want to get that soap scum out. And as you saw on the camera, please wear your PPE because this is really strong chemicals that you're gonna be dealing with. So I also bought this plastic sheeting because I'm a messy person in general, and I got it from Home Depot, and I just wanted to lay it down so I didn't get any paint or any caulking or any of that on my floor. But I got it on it anyway, and I'm going to show you guys how I got it off. After I placed it on the floor, I also placed it in my tub. And now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take out all that old grouting around the tub. And I'm also going to replace it. Just wanted to show you guys a side by side and how it looked after I finished degrouting the tub, and it looked cleaner already. So the next step that I did was I sandpapered the wall. They do recommend that you do that just so it has something better to grip so the paint sticks. I actually used 400 count sandpaper, and I also got that from Amazon. And so I sandpapered all the tiles, and then I did the tub the next day because again, this is not a one-day thing. It took me about maybe a week and a half to do this. So I started off with the spray can and I was going crazy, but then I realized that it looked kind of messy and haphazard, so I was like, let me try to use the paint first. I was gonna strictly reserve the paint for the tub, but the paint also worked really well for the tiles. So I didn't get any footage of me painting the tub, but this is how it looks. And this is me just going ahead and caulking the corners of the tub. It's really important to do that because you don't want any water to get inside the cracks of the tub. And at first I didn't really know how to use it, so it kind of spilled all over me. So I just decided to take my finger and fill the holes, which you see me doing now. And then I went over with some water and just cleaned it up on the sides. I also want to mention that I use the purple tape as a guideline on where to put the caulking. So I put the tape at the top maybe an inch before the crack, and then the tape at the bottom maybe an inch below it, so the caulking would fit perfectly in the middle. I do have to show you guys this part because I wouldn't be real if I didn't show it. I knew this was gonna happen. So as I was taking the tape off, I guess the tape stuck to the paint adhesive and it came off completely, like that little square. But what I did was I just I scraped off that square and then I just repainted it and it was fine. But I do want to show you guys what may happen with the tape. So You guys do have to be careful. Make sure you get delicate tape and make sure your paint is completely dry. I don't think I made sure my paint was completely dry. I was so anxious just to take it off. But I fixed it. And here's what I used to get all the extra paint off of the floor. I just left it for about 30 minutes and then I came back and I scrubbed it with the Brillo pad and it came right off. I got all my bath accessories from Target. My bath mat, my curtain were all from Target.